In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use frames in Miro. Start by opening Miro and going to a new board. You can use a blank board or any board you already have, but a new board makes it easier to see how frames work from the beginning. Frames are useful because they help you organize content into clear sections. They also make it easier to present your board like a slideshow, export specific areas, or keep a large workspace tidy as it grows. Once you are inside your board, look to the left-hand toolbar. Find and click the option labeled Tools, Media, and Integrations. This opens a panel where you can search for extra tools that are not always shown in the main toolbar. This is a quick way to locate features without hunting through menus. In the search field inside that panel, type the word Frames. As you type, Miro will filter the available tools and show you frame options. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the Frames tool, since the search can also surface related items. Now select the frame that you want to use. Miro offers different frame presets, which can be helpful depending on what you are creating. For example, you might choose a standard presentation size, a document-style layout, or another format that matches your workflow. After you select a frame style, you can place it onto the board and begin building content inside it. A helpful tip is to think of a frame as a container. Anything you place within its boundaries becomes part of that section, which keeps ideas grouped and easier to navigate. It also helps to name frames and keep them aligned on the canvas, especially if you plan to present or share the board with others. If you are creating multiple frames, keep consistent spacing so your board looks clean and professional. Once your frame is in place, you are ready to start organizing your board into clear, structured sections using frames. And that is all there is to it.